is a natural feature of the teacher-coach relationship, whereby coaches, in their everyday work with teachers, observe processes in action in the classroom in everyday and ongoing circumstance. The clearest purpose that I can talk about is that side-by-side coaching is to use teachers' own thinking and their own actions and their own doing, what they want to accomplish, as a springboard to show them how to change their behaviour. So in this chapter, we'll be exploring some effective techniques for side-by-side coaching, share some helpful tips, and provide some useful tools for you to use and or adapt. The first one that I want to discuss is this is a tool for managing the prior to side-by-side coaching process, and they are scheduling a time, having the teacher submitting their current literacy goal and focus, along with any questions, wonderings or needs, so that we can familiarise ourselves with those.
I think we got to the stage where we were having those one-on-one conversations, but people were saying things like, oh, but when I do this, I don't know what to do here, or when they're doing this, I get really stuck with what to do this. And we were thinking, well, it's one thing to kind of keep talking about it, but maybe we need to actually see it in action. So I think that's where we came to the decision that it was probably time to step in the classroom.
Yes.
And see it in action, I guess.
Yes.
Then they undertook a normal lesson with Sharon literally standing side by side. It was meant to be a little bit more relaxed. It wasn't supposed to be a formal observation or anything like that. Yeah. We deliberately left myself and the principal out because we didn't want it to feel formal. But I've had 100% feedback from all staff saying that it was a lot less daunting than they first thought, and just that valuable feedback that is immediate. So they can try it literally as they're standing right there. They're not waiting after. They don't have a lesson after to sit down and have feedback for Sharon. It's right there on the spot, and it's, why don't you try this? Okay, I'm going to try that straight away. And I think that's the bit that they found the most valuable.
When we think about how we can make it work for all teachers, we can feel much better about the success that we are driving within learning, that we are really giving coaching a way of being that people enjoy, that our teachers that we work with enjoy.